Here we present the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, a legendary off-road vehicle that has undergone a radical redesign and is now equipped with cutting-edge hybrid technology. For a full rundown of all the new features, including how to use this updated icon, watch the video all the way to the end if you're interested. The 2025 Jimny Sierra keeps with its signature boxy style, which gives it a unique vintage look while blending in with contemporary upgrades. A more menacing and assertive appearance is achieved by means of the reworked front grille. Sleek LED technology complements the Jimny's iconic round headlights, elevating their visibility and appeal simultaneously. Thanks to its raised ride height, the Jimny Sierra can conquer any surface, be it rough off-road tracks or crowded city streets. It also doesn't skimp on style at the back, whereas fashionable LED lights that accentuate its rugged and daring appearance. Improvements to the 2025 Jimny Sierra's interior have increased the vehicle's practicality and passenger convenience. Using high-quality materials, interior design has been updated to create a premium vibe all over. The bigger infotainment screen is a major improvement that makes a lot of functions more accessible and guarantees a more natural driving experience. The cabin still has a roomy and functional design, which makes it pleasant and easy to use for the driver and passengers, even with these contemporary additions. The 2025 Jimny Sierra's new hybrid powertrain is among the most anticipated upgrades. This hybrid powertrain drastically enhances performance on difficult off-road terrain by combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor, which increases power and rapid torque. Hybrid technology also helps with fuel efficiency, so you can go on longer expeditions without stopping to fill up. Those who enjoy off-roading and are concerned about striking a balance between power and environmental responsibility will find this development very interesting. For individuals in the market for a small SUV, with exceptional off-road prowess and an openness to cutting-edge technologies, Suzuki has created the 2025 Jimny Sierra. Its modern interior, potent new hybrid engine, and iconic good looks make it an attractive option for thrill seekers. The Jimny Sierra has been designed to effortlessly traverse tough terrains or effortlessly carry out weekend getaways. Is the all-new 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra something you're interested in? Is the idea of owning this modernized off-road icon appealing to you? Subscribing to the New World Northwest channel will keep you updated on all the latest news and in-depth reviews, and you can share your thoughts and comments below. Please continue to watch for more thrilling material.